Hey guys, don't look at the bench. It's a mess. That's one of my projects I got to do. I have a Kobalt. The part number is an SGY-AIR236, and the little retainer ring on it got messed up. So I went on Amazon and I ordered a TGR half-inch impact retainer ring set, and I tried to use it. It did not work. It was too big. It was a nice tool set. It came with 10 rings and 10 O-rings. It came with a little tool to help insert it, and it came with the pliers to help get that ring off, but it was too big. Couldn't get the socket off and on. So today I got in this other kit. It comes with 5 of them, and I'm going to show you how I installed it, and it worked like a champ. So let's get right to it. So here's the impact wrench. I have the rubber washer already pulled off, and check it, make sure it's clean. It's a fairly new wrench. So this is the old kit that I had, and if we were to take and look at the size of the rings that came with it versus the size of the rings that came with this one, these are a lot smaller and covers the problem that I was having with this. So let's try this one out. So we'll take a ring and a washer. And that TGR kit that I had this nice little rubber like insert tool. So we're going to take and send all of that back. It also had this, which was real nice. Probably could just use some split ring pliers for that. It's got these little nubs on there that'll help spread it out. But we're going to use a piece of cardboard and make us a little pad. And we're going to take the washer, insert it on the wrench first, and then we're going to take this guy here. We're going to put the split up towards the front. So we're going to take the end of the wrench, put it in the ring, push down with some force, and rock it towards the front, and it's on there. And we'll see how good it works with that one. There we go. That first time is a pain, but as you can see, it came off easy. These are Harbor Freight sockets, and I've always had trouble with them. We'll just use a regular socket and let's see how it works. On, off. Now we've done that a few times. Let's see. Oh yeah. Much better. This TGR kit, which is a half-inch anvil retainer is what they call it. Impact retaining ring, does not work on these Kobalts. This one right here, I'll post a link in the description. It says it's an X002X5QROT. Now this only came with 5 and it didn't come with any of the tools. I want to say it was about $8. This came with 10. It came with this little rubber tool, and it came with the remover pliers, but it was about like I think $30. It was expensive, and obviously it didn't work. I'll post the video of me attempting with this kit in just a few moments. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody that has the Kobalt 1000 max foot-pound impact wrench that needs to install a new retainer ring. You can pick them up off of Amazon. They're about $8 and easy to install, saves you from having to do a warranty repair or whatever. And as you can see, the wrench or the socket now fits on there and will stay on there. So easy fix. Glad I got that working because I got a lot of work to do tomorrow to start getting the mowers ready to mow. Got on Amazon and I found this TGR Tool Guy Republic brand. Basically retainer ring with a O-ring set. Comes with a little tool to both install it and remove it. So let's give it a try. Maybe I'm reading wrong. I don't know. Doesn't seem to work very well. Let me take it back off. The tool works pretty cool. So that goes off and on just fine. Huh. We're going to add some persuasion to it. Let's just see if a regular socket works. No, makes it too big. Let me try a different ring. Maybe this one got stretched out. So that ring don't work. Try inserting it once again. It's not really sitting on the ring. I would think it should. There it goes. I'll just snap on. Let's try it now. Still doesn't want to work. Let's try some persuasion. That's lined up correctly. There we go. So it's on there. But now it ain't coming off. Needless to say, I don't think that kit works very good at all.